Hi everyone, welcome to TPP Learning Academy. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your password. In line with the RFA regulation, passwords should be changed from time to time for security reasons. The period of changing your password is determined by your system administrators. When your password requires changing, this dialog will appear on your screen once you're logged on to SystmOne. One thing to note is that this change your password dialog will not appear if you are logging on with your smart card. If your smart card PIN is changing, please contact your RA for assistance. Click OK to proceed and you will see the next dialog box. To change your password, simply enter your current password, then enter your new password, and re-enter your new password to confirm. SystmOne does have password requirements, which are the following. It has to be at least 8 characters long. It has to have at least one number. It has to have a mixture of upper and lower cases of letters, and at least one non-alphanumeric character, such as the exclamation mark. If you wish to change your password because your password might be compromised, you could navigate to User menu, Change Password. You will be required to confirm your current password, or if you're logged on with your smart card PIN is needed instead. Enter your new password and re-enter it for confirmation. Click Change Password button at the bottom to finish. Finally, if you have forgotten your password and couldn't log on to SystmOne at all, please speak to a password administrator in your organization. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. For hints and tips, please follow us on Twitter at TPP Training Tips.